Oh yes, yes. What up? What's up? What's up? Welcome to our YouTube channel, The Hair Zipper, and I'm by the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master. And here is um, I'm going to be showing you how you can do, how you can plait the cornrows, even if you have damaged hair. So I got a client here. She had a very damaged hair, but she wanted cornrows, and there's nothing to do. I will have to do what she wants, and I'm going to use the other tricks like I've been telling you to do. You can use the gel, and when you're trying to hold the hair, you have always to make you have to hold the hair that is supposed to be held. Yes, those ones that you see that are very short, you can leave it, because when you try to force it, you'll make them to break. So this is what I'm trying to do. I'm plaiting only the hair, like I'm saying. You can see here in front there's some little hair, but I couldn't hold it because it's very short. So what I chose is just to start like the way you can see here in the middle, just to start from there, because I don't want to force even this one to break more. You see how I'm removing it? So I start from the middle there, and I leave this one behind. Yes, because I don't want it to break more. So if I do it that way, that means when I'm done, all these hair that I've left behind, I'm going to apply some gel, and you see how it's going to look nice. So you can follow these procedures like when you have broken hair, and trust me, you will have to get good results. So I'm doing this, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because we do this every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And for those ones who can come to our academy, please, you're welcome. Come and register, and we'll learn all these kinds of tricks and all the protective hairstyles. So I keep on doing this, and today's case I'm trying to apply a little kinky, since it's her hair was a bit soft. So since I want the cornrows at least to last a bit longer, I'm applying the kinky so that it can hold it firm. It's just little. I don't apply a lot. I just put a little so that it holds it very firm. And sometimes people fear kinky. They think it's painful, but trust me, it's just according to the way you plait it. Because here I'm plaiting a kid. If it was that painful, I wouldn't think that she would be there. Yes, she'll be crying even now, but I'm trying to do it professionally to see that it's not painful at all. So this is just because I don't strain, like I don't force all these hair that broke. So if I see that I cannot hold it like the way I'm leaving that hair behind, I just leave it, because when you try to force it around, it's when it is going to bring the painful. Yes, so don't force that little hair to hold it whenever you're doing it. So you see, that's how I keep on doing it. I told you I'm adding just a little kinky so that it holds my hair firm, it lasts longer. You see, just add just little. If it was possible, I would just plait her own hair, but I'm just adding just a little kinky so that it can get a volume and hold it firm so that it can stay for long. Those also can use braids, it's also fine. But yeah, but this is natural hair, so I know natural hair is friendly to kinky. That's why I use it. So you can also do it your way. So you see how I'm leaving all this hair behind? Yes, I'm just leaving it behind because I know how when you force that hair, it will bring pain. So I leave it behind so that I just hold some other hair, the hair that I feel, that I see that is strong to hold. So this is how we keep on doing the cornrows for the babies. Yes, you understand. And another trick is like these babies are, some of them they like cartoons, so whenever you're plating and you don't want them to disturb, just put for them cartoons. Yeah, they'll watch and they won't disturb you at all. But for her, she likes hair so much, so that's why she doesn't disturb at all. And another thing, it's not painful, that's why she's not disturbing. Yes, so keep loving Hair Zipper, and please, whenever you're watching this video, don't forget to tap that red thing, the one that shows subscribe. Just tap on it, click on it, so that whenever I upload videos, you'll be watching all the videos that I'll be uploading every time I'm uploading them. So this is how we keep on doing the cornrows, and trust me, it's not painful at all, as long as you don't force the baby hair. Yes, painful comes when you force the baby hair, like you try to strain all that hair, like to hold it, so that one will bring it to pain. So me, what I do, I leave it so that after I can apply my gel. Trust me, you're going to see the outcome. It's going to look lovely. I also don't know how it's going to look, but I know it's going to look nice. So try to follow the whole video and watch and see how I'm trying to do this hair. It is a bit tricky, disturbing, but I'm going to kill it. I know I'm going to make it right, and it will look very, very nice, and you also like it. So the trick is the only thing you can do if you want to play around with broken hair. The most thing you should be having, you have to be with a gel, because that one helps for like that remaining hair that you have left. Yeah, you can play around with the gel, and even so it can help you like when you're starting. Yeah, just try to pull that gel and you keep on doing what, on doing the cornrows. So I just do it like this, and when I'm done, I'm trying to apply the oil. Yes, that one helps for the anti-itchy. Yeah, and even to make the scalp free. So you see, that's how it is. Very, very lovely. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you, and by the names of Maurice the Crochet Master.